In this video, we will show you how to assemble the PostureFit SL for the Herman Miller Aeron Remastered. You basically have two pads, the top one and the lower one, along with the inner spine to connect them. As you will notice, there are indentations on the pad to be clipped on the spine. Here is the clippable part on the spine. All you have to do is to apply some pressure into the cavity, and the pad will click into the spine. Do the same for the lower pad. Once it's clicked in and fully connected, you can continue. First, we need to connect the Y-shaped spine to the back. As you can see, the bottom of the spine has two cavities for the screws, which will align with the holes in the back of the back frame. So you need to align the holes with the cavities on the bottom of the Y-shaped spine. Once they're aligned, click in the Y-frame from the sides, and while the holes are still perfectly aligned, insert the screws. You will need a small Torx bit to tighten these screws. As shown, the inner spine has a small cavity, and the back side of the Y spine, which is the side that's not facing you, has an accentuating part. What you need to do is insert the accentuating part into the cavity, then slide it upwards. Finally, clip the bottom part of the inner spine onto the bottom. You can now control the tension easily by turning the knob. Forward towards the chair will increase the pressure, and backward to you will decrease it. Enjoy your PostureFit SL!